Okay, I just need to wait now. So I see you later. So, first tip, you need to wait a lot. Wait a lot, because this is wild animals and birds, so you need to wait. So patience or tenacity or whatever you call it is essential for doing wildlife photography. So now I just need to wait for the dipper to arrive, and I have positioned myself and hope they land in a stone that is not too big. So when the bird is perching there, the stone won't be dominating the whole thing. So yeah. Okay. I will get back to you when the bird is arriving. Good thing now is that I have now found this place where I can lay really close to the water, so I get that eye level perspective. So the trees are getting more leaves, and that the green leaves reflects in the water, so it creates much more explosive colors that makes for a great background on that. That was a blackbird. I see it. It doesn't seem to mind me at all. I've been laying here for quite a while now, so I think it's used to me. This here is camouflaging my scariest silhouette, so that really helps. And I'm lying flat, and that also helps a lot. I love springtime when the days are getting longer, and yeah, I can be out in the evening It's so beautiful. Also just listen to this water running. It's really therapeutic. The bird are gone. I just need to wait and see if it comes back. It's back and forth, up and down the river. That's typical of the dipper, searching for food everywhere. And yeah, so when you're spending that much time on one species, you also learn a lot about that species. You learn the behavior, what it likes to do. And for example, this dipper, it's spending the most of the time near the water, and it's hunting in the water as well. So they has a kind of oil in their feathers to keep them from being wet and keep them dry, and therefore they need to prune their feathers really often. And yeah, so you learn kind of much things about that species, and you also want to photograph that behavior. I actually had the time to experiment with go lower down to the ISOs, to lower down to around 640 of a second. It's pretty dark now because it's late in the evening and there is overcast at the moment. So I was in around 25 of a second, but with the VR and I'm laying this plane on a rock, and I hold my hand on top of the lens. I can actually hold it so still, and the bird stands still, that I got a sharp picture with 1/25 of a second. So you just need to hold your breath, hold your hand on the top of the lens just to press it down to stabilize it, and together with the stabilizer in the lens, it's actually working with that low shutter speed, and then you don't have to push the ISO really high, so you can get less noise in the pictures. Just another great day with a dipper. I think I got some shots that I haven't got before with behavior, and yeah, it's so cool to spend a lot of time with one species because you're learning so much of that species. I hope I will see you next time. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and maybe give me a thumbs up. And yeah, until next time, cha-ching!